Hi and welcome to another GrandMA3 tips and tricks video. In this video I'll show you the hidden execution button, or how you can add a second function on any execution button. When you have assigned a sequence to an execution fader or key, you have the default function on the execution key or fader. In my case, on the key the go plus, and on the fader the master function. This can you change on the handle settings. For the execution fader you can switch the function from master to temp fader, rate, speed, time fader, and so on. And for the key you have a lot of more function, like go plus, go minus, on off, pause, rate, temp, toggle, and so on. On the command line, when we list the execution, this lists our execution like 201, 202 or 302, and what the key has for a function, fader, master, encoder, and so on. And here you can see the MA key, or MA encoder right, MA encoder left. That's the function when you press the MA key at the same time you press the execution. When you activate the shortcuts on the GrandMA on PC and press the Shift key, it's the same as the MA key button. When you press the MA key, you will see no function for the button here. That we can change. Set execution 201 in my case for the first sequence, the first key, then the attribute, in our case the MA key. So, and now when we press enter, it gives us a list of our possible functions to add it on the MA key button. In my case, the go minus. And now I have on the 201 execution button a go plus. When I press the MA key, I have a go minus. And when we show the execution list, we have added a MA key to go minus. And you make this for the second execution button too. Set execution 202, MA key, enter, and there I like to have a toggle function. Now I have the normal go plus on the execution key, and when I press the MA button I can toggle it. And so we can add for any execution button a second function. Yeah, only a short trick, but I hope it's helpful for you. If so, leave me a like or subscribe to my channel, or maybe both. And happy show!